Howdy everyone and welcome, always good to have you here. Now this time, we've got another prop firm review video for you. And on this one, we're going to go over SpiceProp and take a dive into exactly what it is that they're offering to traders. So in this review video, we'll cover the funding models SpiceProp offers to traders, take a look at its rules and trading objectives, and really assess the funding feasibility, check out what the broader community and the industry sentiment is, so that our goal by the end of the video is you'll have a clearer understanding of the prop firm and what they're bringing to the table. As always, sit back, get some popcorn, stick around till the end of the video. We do have an exclusive discount code that I'm sure you won't want to miss. With that said though, let's dive in, check out SpiceProp and what they're all about, and if they might be the ideal choice for your trading journey. All right, so if SpiceProp is new to you, be prepared, you're about to get a little hungry. But here's the quick scoop. They were founded in October 2023, and they're based out of Prague, Czech Republic. The firm has rapidly gained a great name for themselves through professionalism, fairness, great leadership, and innovative edge. Now, what's making them a bit of a must-watch in the industry is their flexible and trader-friendly funding options. They've got 5 unique programs, which we'll jump into, including 3 two-step challenges, a 1-step, and even instant funding. So really something there for everyone. So let's jump straight in. Let's have a look at the funding options that they are providing to their traders. And we're going to kick things off with SpiceProp's flagship offering, which is the Black Pepper program. Now, this is where serious traders get to prove their skills managing a rather large 300,000 euro account backed up by 1-to-100 leverage. And this program is really designed to spot those who not only hit consistent profits, but also can demonstrate disciplined risk management across a 2-phase evaluation. So all the parameters are here to see. As you can see in phase 1, you have a profit target of 7.5%, and in step 2, 5%. Now there's no rush here through the phases. As you can see, there's no maximum trading days, but to advance, you will need at least 3 profitable trading days at a minimum under your belt. Now, once you clear this, phase 2, you're obviously getting through to fully funded account, and you can enjoy full freedom. There's no minimum withdrawal limits and a stellar 90% profit split on everything you make. Your first payout is quite attractive as well. It's just 7 calendar days after your first funded trade, and with weekly withdrawals available after that. Great incentive there. Not every company gives you weekly withdrawals. Plus, they also sweeten the deal with optional add-ons like a 150% challenge refund, drawdown increase, and this just gives you some extra breathing room and some value. So the rules are very clear here. Hit your profit targets, don't blow past the daily or overall loss limits, and keep your winning days consistent. Master these, and the Black Pepper program becomes your gateway to serious trading with great amounts of capital utilizing SpiceProp. All right, next up is the Sweet Pepper program, which you can see is all other account sizes other than the 300,000 euro account. Now, the Sweet Pepper program, it's a versatile option that lets you manage accounts from 10,000 euros all the way up to 150,000 euros, up to 1-to-100 leverage to amplify your trades. And like the Black Pepper program, this one's really designed to discover profitable traders who can keep risk tight during the 2-phase evaluation process. So in phase 1, your mission is to hit a 7.5% profit target while staying within the 5.5% daily drawdown and the total maximum drawdown. You have no maximum trading periods, but still minimum trading days. Just like step 2, you have a 5% profit target, same risk parameters and same minimum trading days. Once fully funded, the Sweet Pepper program really benefits traders from no minimum withdrawal requirements and an 80% profit split on all of your gains. Your first payout comes after 14 calendar days after your first funded trade, with withdrawals available bi-weekly after that. Now, if you want to level up, SpiceProp offers some very handy add-ons here too, including a 150% challenge refund, drawdown increases, and even faster withdrawals within just 8 days when purchasing the program. So the rules are very clear and trader-friendly here. Meet your profit targets, which are very industry average in our opinion. Your daily and your total losses also seem very attainable, and keep those profitable days consistent. Overall, Sweet Pepper offers a very flexible, rewarding path for traders ready to take the next step into their career. All right, now let's talk about the Mini Pepper program, which, as you can see, is the smallest account with the most affordable price and still the ability to scale up to €500,000. So this is a fantastic opportunity for traders ready to manage a smaller account, still with up to 1 to 100 leverage. And this program is ideal for those eager to showcase consistent profitability while mastering risk over a still structured two-step evaluation. So as we can see, the parameters still very similar here. So just to go over it quickly, first phase, you'll need a 7.5% profit without exceeding the strict limits of a 5.5% daily and 11% overall drawdown. No pressure on the time frame. You still have at least 3 winning trading days to keep in mind. And second phase lowers the profit target to 5%, maintaining the same loss limits and profitable day requirements. Complete both steps, you're obviously awarded a funded account with full flexibility. You've got no minimum withdrawal thresholds and a rewarding 80% profit share here in the funded account. Your first payout arrives after 14 days after your initial funded trade, bi-weekly withdrawals after that. And similar to the other programs, there's some useful extras here upon purchase, like a 150% challenge refund, increased drawdown limits, faster withdrawals. So it gives you a bit more control and peace of mind. We like the add-ons there. But stick to the clear objectives, hit your profit targets, manage losses carefully, maintain consistent profitable days, and the Mini Pepper program could be the perfect launch pad for your funded trading career. All right, now let's spice things up with the Chili Pepper program. And this is designed for traders looking to manage accounts between 10,000 and 75,000 euros with up to 1 to 100 leverage as well. And this program features a streamlined one-step evaluation that's all about rewarding disciplined traders who can balance profitability with solid risk control. To pass the evaluation, all the parameters are laid out here. You have a 10% profit target without breaching your 4% daily drawdown and your total 11% drawdown. Now your first payout, there's no deadline pressure on trading days. As you can see here, you must achieve at least 3 profitable days before qualifying for funding, and this has been consistent across their programs. Now, once you've crushed the evaluation, which I know you'll all do, you receive a funded account with no minimum withdrawal requirements, and you do enjoy an 80% profit split here. Maximum scaled account size would be up to 1 million euros. Your first payout would come 14 calendar days after your first funded trade and subsequent bi-weekly withdrawals as well. They do have a handy add-on here as well. The drawdown increases and faster withdrawals. That gives you a bit more flexibility as you progress and grow. And obviously the key is very clear here. Meet your profit goal, control your risk, keep those profitable days consistent, and that's your ticket to success in the Chili Pepper program. And finally, we're going to go the hottest of the hot, being the Jalapeno Pepper program. Anyone else feeling a little hungry here? This is perfect for traders who want to skip the evaluation phase, jump straight into funded trading. Account sizes ranging from 1,000 to 5,000 euros, leverage of up to 1 to 30. And this program is really ideal for somebody who maybe has a bit of experience. Obviously, they want instant funding, but maybe not ideal for the brand new first-time trader. Now, once you purchase the Jalapeno program, though, you are handed a fully funded account. Straight away, there's no minimum withdrawal limits. Just remember, you got to keep your losses in check. The daily maximum loss is 2.5%, and the overall is only 5%. Now, if you are someone who already trades, that would be well within your wheelhouse, hopefully. Once you get fully funded, your first payout would arrive 14 calendar days after your funded trade, and then bi-weekly payouts after that. Profit split here is pretty solid. 60% lets you keep a good chunk of what you earn for an instant funding. That's pretty reasonable. They do offer valuable add-ons here as well. When you purchase, there's drawdown increases and faster withdrawals within 8 days. But this program, without stating the obvious, is all about fast-tracking your path to profit without the wait. Just make sure you know what you're doing. Now let's have a look at the scaling plan that they offer across all their programs, the black pepper, sweet pepper, chili, and jalapeno programs. So if you hit a 10% profit target within 2 months, you can level up your account to the next available size without having to give up any of your hard-earned profits. So as an example of how this would work, if you can generate around 4.5% profit in the first and 6% in the second, together these add up to a 10% profit target over 2 months, which makes you eligible to then go on and scale your account. So once you're eligible to scale your account, obviously you're going to get more capital there, but the key idea is consistent growth that demonstrates your trading skills and earns you the chance to increase your capital. So no matter which SpiceProp program you're actually in, they're offering a scaling plan to make sure that there's motivation there to keep you pushing forward and expanding your trading potential. So now that we've reviewed the different programs, what actually makes SpiceProp different from other prop firms? Because these are not necessarily numbers that we've never seen before. So let's take a look and compare all the programs. Obviously what stands out here is the diverse lineup of different account types. Really a lot of variety there, lots of trader-friendly features, something for a brand new novice trader with a low startup cost, all the way to an experienced trader that can get their hands on a ton of working capital. In addition, you've also got unlimited trading periods, early withdrawal options, flexible payouts, schedules, relatively low profit target requirements, in our eyes, generous drawdown limits, add-on features. They've really got a unique combination of tailored funding programs covering different trader preferences, covering different experience levels. We like some of these rules they also have in place, the flexible trading periods, quick withdrawal options. They're really helping distinguish themselves from some other prop firms in the industry, and they need to. Now, is getting the capital realistic? When you choose a prop firm and you have a look, it's always very important to have a look at the funding feasibility of the programs. After going through them though, we feel that it's quite feasible to go and get funding based on the fact that it's very reasonable profit targets, the trading conditions. And in terms of people getting funded and making money, you can see here on the website some of their successful traders here with the payout certificates. Always jump in and take a look at the Discord, the social channels, and you can also see some more payout certificates from their funded traders. In terms of broker and technology front, as you can see here, they're working on C-Trader and Metadoro 5, and this opens up a variety of trading instruments to really suit virtually every trader style. So whether you're into Forex pairs, commodities, major market indices, stocks, bonds, crypto, there's plenty of opportunities to diversify and tailor your trading strategy here. We've touched on it already, but you can see leverage of all the way up to 1 to 100, depending on the specific instrument and the program that you choose. But this gives you flexibility to control larger positions and obviously potentially boost your returns. So this broad access of programs along with the leading platforms, it's really a versatile place for traders looking to explore multiple markets under one roof. One thing we also like to look at when we're looking at a prop firm is the amount of education they give to their traders. We don't like prop firms that kind of leave you out there on your own. But what we do like about SpiceProp here is they have a bunch of educational material here, all the way through strategies, psychology, lots of different blogs that you can take a look at here to ensure that you are successful in the long run. So it's going beyond just funding traders. They're committed to helping you grow, sharpen your trading skills. There's a wealth of educational resources here, and this is crucial behind successful trading. On top of this, every SpiceProp client gains access to a well-designed trader dashboard, which I don't think we're going to be able to open up here on this video. When we were working with the firm before the video, we had a look. It really gives you a lot of powerful tools, really puts risk management front and center as well, which is the most important thing. And this is obviously going to give their traders not just the education they need, but all the tracking and the data so that they can have long-term success. Not too much else to cover here on this first video. We'll do an updated review as time goes on, but let's have a look at the broader industry sentiment here for SpiceProp. They don't have a ton of reviews at this time, about 159 at the time of recording. Obviously good, bad, and everything in between, but do your own due diligence. Take a look. I always like when a prop firm is going on and actually providing feedback to the comments. That shows that they're obviously caring about the image that they're creating. So this gives you a lot of clarity that not everyone on the internet is necessarily positive and accurate, but go through, do your own due diligence. But overall, when we went had a look, lots of positive sentiment around SpiceProp as they continue to grow in the industry. So let's jump back over here to the homepage. We'll wrap this one up. Hopefully you're not feeling too hungry by the end of this. But look, they're doing really good things in the industry. We love the versatile funding programs. We love the trading conditions. They've got some payment proof here in terms of successful payouts. Lots of favorable conditions here. They've got a growing community, got great trading platforms, great tech. So lots of great things that they're doing. We anticipate them to continue to grow. Of course, we'll keep you up to date, but we hope you've got some value out of here reviewing SpiceProp. Well, that's what I've got for you guys regarding SpiceProp. Now, hopefully you found it enjoyable and informative. Most importantly, let us know in the comments below your feedback on the firm. We'd love to hear your perspective, especially if you've worked with them in the past or you're currently working with them. Couple of things before we go. Make sure you give us a thumbs up on the video if you haven't already. We appreciate that. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and our social media pages, and that way you won't miss a thing regarding the prop trading firm industry and reputable prop trading firms. Also, as promised, don't forget, check the link below. You can get your hands on the discount code for SpiceProp and their accounts. We mentioned that earlier, and that's just another perk of watching our videos. Great to have your viewership as always, guys. We appreciate it. Happy and successful trading, and I'll see you on the next one.